save this. And now we want to go ahead and export this. So we'll export, and we have a bunch of different options. Image legacy, movie, video, animated GIF, scene. So we'll say media, and we are going to select a TIFF sequence. Entire movie. And we'll put it in that folder.
Dad.
Yeah, buddy?
If I manage to wake up at 3 o'clock at night, can I play Fortnite? Because that's when the servers start.
If you go to bed right now, I will wake you up at 3 o'clock.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you be awake? Because 3 o'clock is
I will be
time
I
for
will
me.
I will be awake at 3 o'clock. I promise you tonight I have a lot to do. Pinky swear.
Okay.
Alright. Go to bed. Alright. It didn't export just one image, did it? No. There we go. We have an image sequence. Perfect. So for now we can close Animate and come over here and import file. And I know that seems weird, but where's the folder? Where's the folder? Oh, it dumped it right in exports. Okay, that's fine. And it sees right away that it's a TIFF sequence. And so you say import. And here you have your TIFF sequence right here. And you can just drag that down and it will make a composition.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, buddy. So then I can bring in the audio. Come on now. Drag that underneath. And then, yeah, let's save this. Motion. Toot. 1. And well, let's see if it can play right here. Yeah, that's pretty much perfect timing. So, I mean, just the start and a bit of a rough start, gotta fix it out. Right away, I'm thinking that we need to up the frame rate because it just, like, my initial thought was then to come in here and I'll show you some of the things we can do. So if I open up effects and let's go grain, we're gonna add grain. Why is that so small? Add grain size. Oh, whoops, no. Oh, that's the preview region. Give me the whole thing. My computer can handle it. Oh, that's the center.
Dad.
Inch mile. Ugh. The grain needs to match the frame rate. Yeah, so like, even with the grain, I don't know. Because if we go with a smoother frame rate, then we can do cooler things. Like... So what we could do is at the end of this, we can copy, paste, and then we can freeze frame on the last frame. Composition settings, increase this to like 15 seconds. Switch this out so I can see. We take this freeze frame, put it here, and then on here, this is where we can put the light rays. So let's delete it from here. Let's add it. Yes, child that doesn't want to play Fortnite? Hudson, you're fine, buddy. Please.
I have to figure out that, okay?
I got it, and we will work on that with you, but you really need to... You're fine. So, where's the center? There's the center. Thank you. And then color. What color should we make it? Is anyone even here anymore? Am I all by myself now? Let's make it an eerie dark orange.
Use the 222 or the 4444.
Like gray? Like gray lines?
It goes with the colors.
What's the blending? Screen, lighten, add. Those are our only options. So, no, black is not an option. It seems to work better with color from source. All right. So then we can I have more than one of these. Will let me add a second. It will let me add a second. Will let me add a third. It will let me add a third. So then we can take all of our centers and for each one move it across. You know what? And then here. I mean, that's a little over the top. And we would need to, yeah, the intensity ramp down would need to be different. So we would open all 3 light rays. And you can see all of them have an intensity drop. And we're just going to select these intensity drops. And we're going to move them. right? So like, obviously, it's going to take a very long time.
See the shit show that is what's going on
He's
with.
streaming.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. We're about to end the stream here. Working more on this and making this cooler. This is not the idea I think we should go with, but I just wanted to show that this light effect does not go with the grain effect, is what I was trying to say. So, we could up the frame rate to 60 and do more modern 3D type things like light rays, like light explosions, like distortions, or we can stick with the film grain idea, and instead of these light rays, well, I'm just going to keep them on, but what we could do is this is the transform. Here we go. So let's just put a keyframe on everything. So it's gonna go boom. So this is the first boom. So we could take this whole thing and rotate it 90 degrees. And then we can this, like, regularly you would have, like, I don't know what this white, or why I have this white frame around this freeze frame, or whether that came with the export, but like the rest of this would be orange, right? And so you go boom, and then this is where we would get really into it and go frame by frame. Right, and then that would go, so you go boom, and then here, keyframes, actually keyframes here. And then here at the 6-minute mark, could rotate like this back to 0. And something like that, and then zoom in again. And you save that. We might need to start rendering this because there won't be enough memory. It's rendering this all to memory.
So,
see how those two things hit on beats?
yeah. Did you
That actually looks pretty good with the light flare. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna stop there because we've been going for seriously now for almost 2 hours. Over 2 hours. So, but just really quickly, any questions before I sign off from you two?